Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's fast-paced world, it's no secret that many of us struggle with feelings of anxiety, stress, and even depression. The demands of work, relationships, and everyday life can take a toll on our mental health and well-being. That's why it's crucial to prioritize self-care and seek out ways to support our mental health. One powerful way to do this is through proper nutrition and ensuring we get the essential vitamins and minerals our bodies need to function optimally. Proper nutrition is critical to addressing anxiety, stress, and depression, and to maintaining overall mental well-being. Our diet plays a significant role in how we feel physically and mentally. We can help support brain health and mood regulation by fueling our bodies with the proper nutrients. Vitamins are essential for various bodily functions, including mental health. In this video, we'll explore the top vitamins that can help manage anxiety and stress, and even alleviate symptoms of depression. We'll explore how these vitamins work in the body, their benefits for mental health, and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine to support your overall well-being. Our tone for this video will be informative, supportive, and encouraging. We understand the challenges that come with managing anxiety, stress, and depression, and we're here to provide you with valuable information and resources to help you on your journey to better mental health. We want to empower you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. So if you want to learn more about the best vitamins for managing anxiety and stress, and how they can positively impact your mental health, then you're in the right place. Let's explore the world of vitamins and discover how they can help you feel your best self. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding anxiety, stress, and depression. Anxiety, stress, and depression are common mental health conditions that can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. It's essential to recognize and understand these conditions to address them and support our mental health effectively. Anxiety is characterized by feelings of worry, fear, or unease that can be overwhelming and interfere with daily life. It can manifest in physical symptoms such as rapid heartbeat, sweating, and trembling. Stress, on the other hand, is the body's response to external pressures or demands, leading to feelings of tension and strain. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on both our physical and mental health, contributing to conditions like anxiety and depression. Depression is a mood disorder that can cause persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest in activities. It can impact all aspects of a person's life, affecting their relationships, work performance, and overall quality of life. Left untreated, depression can lead to severe consequences and significantly impair daily functioning. Addressing anxiety, stress, and depression through holistic approaches is crucial for promoting long-term mental well-being. This involves looking at the individual and considering various factors contributing to their mental health, including lifestyle, diet, exercise, and social support. By taking a comprehensive approach to mental health, we can better support individuals in managing their symptoms and improving their overall quality of life. Vitamins and supplements play a vital role in supporting mental health and well-being. Specific vitamins such as B, D, and omega-3 fatty acids have positively affected mood regulation and cognitive function. By incorporating these essential nutrients into our diet or through supplementation, we can help support our brain health and potentially alleviate symptoms of anxiety, stress, and depression. In the next section, we'll explore the specific beneficial vitamins for managing these mental health concerns and how they can be integrated into a holistic approach to mental well-being. Stay tuned to learn more about the power of vitamins in supporting your mental health journey. Top 5 vitamins for anxiety and stress. When managing anxiety and stress, incorporating specific vitamins into your daily routine can significantly improve your mental well-being. Explore the top 5 vitamins for reducing anxiety and stress levels. 1. Vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex, including B vitamins such as B6, B9, folate, and B12, is crucial in supporting brain function and mood regulation. These vitamins are involved in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for maintaining a positive mood and reducing anxiety. Recommended daily dosages vary, but generally, a B-complex supplement containing 50-100 mg of each B vitamin is beneficial. Food sources of B vitamins include leafy greens, whole grains, and lean proteins. Vitamin D. The sunshine vitamin is essential for overall health, including mental well-being. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to an increased risk of depression and anxiety. Recommended daily dosages typically range from 600 to 1,000 IU, depending on individual needs and sun exposure. Food sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and sunlight exposure. 3. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a vital role in relaxation and stress reduction. It helps regulate neurotransmitters and supports the body's stress response system. Recommended daily dosages of magnesium range from 200 to 400 mg, depending on individual needs. Food sources of magnesium include nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA found in fish oil, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and mood-stabilizing effects. These essential fatty acids can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and stress. Recommended daily dosages of omega-3s vary, but typically range from 500 to 2,000 mg of combined EPA and DHA. Food sources of omega-3s include fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. 5. L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid in green tea with calming and relaxing properties. It can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation without causing drowsiness. Recommended daily dosages of L-theanine range from 100 to 200 mg. Green tea is a natural source of L-theanine, or can be taken as a supplement. Before incorporating any new vitamins or supplements into your routine, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications that may interact with these supplements. By incorporating these top 5 vitamins into your daily regimen, you can take proactive steps towards managing anxiety and stress and supporting your mental well-being. Naturally reduce anxiety with these 5 supplements. Natural supplements can be valuable to your wellness routine when managing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Let's explore 5 supplements that help reduce stress and support overall mental well-being. 1. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb used for centuries in traditional Ayurvedic medicine to help the body cope with stress and anxiety. It modulates the body's stress response and promotes a sense of calm. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress, and improve symptoms of anxiety. Recommended dosages typically range from 300 to 600 mg daily, taken in capsule or powder form. 2. Chamomile. Chamomile is a gentle herb known for its calming and soothing properties. It contains compounds that can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Chamomile tea is a popular way to incorporate this herb into your daily routine, with recommended dosages of 1 to 2 cups per day. Chamomile supplements are also available in capsule form for convenience. 3. Valerian root. Valerian root is another herbal supplement used for centuries to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. It works by increasing levels of GABA, a neurotransmitter that helps calm the brain and reduce anxiety. Valerian root is commonly taken in capsule or tincture form, with recommended dosages ranging from 300 to 900 mg before bedtime for anxiety relief. 4. Passion flower. Passion flower is a botanical remedy with anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing effects. Like valerian root, it increases GABA levels in the brain. Passion flower supplements are available in capsule or liquid form, with recommended dosages ranging from 200 to 500 mg per day for anxiety management. 5. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a member of the mint family known for its calming and mood-enhancing properties. It can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation without causing drowsiness. Lemon balm supplements are available in capsule or tincture form, with recommended dosages ranging from 300 to 600 mg per day for anxiety relief. When incorporating natural supplements into your routine, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications that may interact with these supplements. By exploring these natural options, you can take proactive steps toward reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation holistically and gently. Top 6 vitamins for anxiety. Besides the previously mentioned vitamins, vitamin B12 is another essential nutrient known for its positive effects on anxiety management. Let's explore the role of vitamin B12 in supporting mental health and reducing anxiety symptoms. Vitamin B12, or cobalamin, is a crucial vitamin that plays a key role in brain function and the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood. Deficiencies in vitamin B12 have been linked to symptoms of anxiety, depression, and cognitive impairment. Ensuring adequate levels of vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining optimal mental health and well-being. Animal products such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy are food sources of vitamin B12. For individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet, fortified plant-based foods like nutritional yeast, fortified cereals, and plant-based milk alternatives can be sources of vitamin B12. However, supplementation may be necessary for those at risk of deficiency, such as older adults, individuals with digestive disorders, or those following restrictive diets. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in the body's nervous system, helping maintain healthy nerve cells and supporting cognitive function. It synthesizes neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, essential for mood regulation and emotional well-being. By ensuring adequate levels of vitamin B12, individuals may experience improved mental clarity, reduced feelings of anxiety, and enhanced overall mood. Supplementation with vitamin B12 may be beneficial for individuals experiencing anxiety, especially those with underlying deficiencies or risk factors. Recommended dosages of vitamin B12 supplements vary depending on individual needs and health conditions. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help determine the appropriate dosage and form of vitamin B12 supplementation for optimal mental health support. By including vitamin B12 in your daily regimen, along with other essential vitamins for anxiety management, you can take proactive steps towards supporting your mental health and well-being. Prioritizing a nutrient-rich diet and considering supplementation when necessary can help you manage anxiety symptoms and promote a sense of calm and balance in your life. By incorporating essential vitamins and natural supplements into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps toward managing anxiety symptoms and promoting relaxation. Throughout this video, we've explored the significance of critical vitamins such as vitamin B complex, vitamin D, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, L-theanine, and vitamin B12 in supporting mental health and reducing anxiety and stress levels. These nutrients play essential roles in brain function, mood regulation, and stress response, highlighting the importance of a well-rounded approach to mental well-being. It's crucial to remember that seeking professional advice is essential for personalized mental health support. Consulting with a healthcare provider or mental health professional can help you determine the best course of action for managing anxiety, stress, and depression based on your individual needs and health conditions. They can guide appropriate dosages, potential interactions with medications, and overall wellness strategies to support your mental health journey. As you continue toward better mental health, we encourage you to explore mental health and well-being resources further. Whether you seek therapy, join support groups, practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques, or incorporate healthy lifestyle habits, there are numerous ways to support your mental health and cultivate a sense of balance and resilience. Remember, you are not alone in your journey towards better mental health. By taking proactive steps, seeking support when needed, and prioritizing self-care, you can empower yourself to manage anxiety, stress, and depression effectively. Your mental health matters, and investing in it is a valuable step towards living a fulfilling and balanced life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of vitamins for mental well-being, and we wish you continued success on your path to better mental health.